As a Southpaw, you've been told you're just a mirror image of an Orthodox fighter. That is a lie, and it's the reason you're losing. You are making 5 critical mistakes because you've been taught to think with an Orthodox brain. In this video, we are deleting the old software and installing the new one. Mistake number 1, giving away the dominant angle. The number 1 mistake, the root of all others. You are fighting to keep your lead foot inside theirs. This is an Orthodox habit. The fight is a land war for a single piece of territory, the spot outside your opponent's lead foot. When you give that up, you give them a direct line for their power hand while blocking your own. You have already lost the geometric battle. Your new obsession is circling to your right, towards their jab, to constantly fight for and maintain that outside angle. Mistake number 2, using your cannon as a flashlight. Orthodox fighters use their weak lead hand as a jab. You've been taught to do the same with your right hand. This is a catastrophic mistake. Your lead hand is your power hand. Stop thinking of your lead hand as a jab. Start thinking of it as a power hook and check hook. It is not a rangefinder. It is a weapon of punishment. If you're ready to stop just being left-handed and start being a strategic weapon, hit that subscribe button now. Mistake number 3, throwing your nuke unprotected. Your straight left is your primary nuke, but because of the open stance, an Orthodox fighter can see it coming from a mile away. Throwing it naked, without a setup, is a low percentage, high-risk move. Your straight left is not the first punch. It is the answer to a question your jab asks. Mistake number 4, circling into the red zone. This is the most dangerous habit. Instinct tells you to move away from their jab, so you circle to your left. But in an open stance, this circles you directly into the loading zone of their most powerful weapon, the rear straight right. You are doing the work for them. The safest place is often the most counterintuitive. By circling to your right, towards their jab, you are simultaneously circling away from their power line and maintaining your dominant foot position. Mistake number 5, using the wrong shield. A standard high guard is designed to defend against a jab cross from a mirror stance opponent. Against an Orthodox fighter, the angles are different. Their lead hook can loop over your lead hand, and their straight right comes down a different pipe. Your guard is not a static wall, it's an adaptable shield. Your lead, right hand, needs to be slightly higher and more active, ready to parry and control their jab and lead hook, while your head is positioned behind your lead shoulder to help protect against their straight right. Stop being a backwards Orthodox fighter. Win the foot battle. Weaponize your lead hand. Set up your power, circle correctly, and adapt your guard. That is the path to becoming a true strategic Southpaw. Which of these 5 mistakes are you most guilty of? Let's be honest. Drop it in the comments. If you're ready to unlock your real advantage, subscribe now. And to see this strategy in action, watch the Southpaw versus Orthodox footwork battle guide right here on the screen. Train smart, stay ready.